Welcome to the world of live edge tables, where nature's beauty meets craftsmanship. Let's embark on this creative journey together. Selecting the right slab is crucial. Look for interesting grain patterns and natural features that speak to you. Flattening and surfacing your slab ensures a stable foundation. This step requires patience and precision. Proper cleaning enhances the wood's natural beauty. Use gentle techniques to preserve its character. To ensure longevity, we'll add support structures. This step is crucial for the table's stability. When attaching legs, allow for natural wood movement. This prevents future warping or cracking. Achieve a silky smooth finish through careful sanding. Start coarse and progress to finer grits. The right finish enhances the wood's natural beauty. Apply oil in thin, even coats for best results. Your live edge table is more than furniture. It's a unique piece of functional art that tells a story. Ready to start your live edge journey? Click the link below for more woodworking inspiration.